Tennessee dust. Unbelievable. Got a lot of work ahead of me here. I guess you would kind of expect it based on what we were driving through. Got to start somewhere. Yeah, these metal cloak fender flares were amazing, man. I was resting up on rock and mud walls, and things were just terrific. Well, the inside is still pretty much annihilated, but the loose dust is out. I think it's gonna take a real huge effort with a damp cloth to just start bringing everything back. Then I just hooked up the pressure washer. We're gonna start working on the outside, get some of this Tennessee clay off of Recon One. But hey, it's a step in the right direction. Really couldn't be happier with how well this Jeep performed, man. It did not let me down. Small little things that were very, very controllable, and the thing wheeled perfectly. All right, I thought I'd take a look underneath the Jeep. The first thing you see is that my transfer case armor is very much did its job, but you can see it's pushed in. Now, this is Flowmaster American Thunder. Sadly, hey man, I mean the muffler's still working, but it took a significant hit right there. Drive shaft. Yeah, the drive shaft definitely took some serious beatings. Also, now you might recall on the trail, see that U-bolt right there? I had a spare one in the Jeep. But that thing broke, and you can kind of see why. There's a massive twist in the rock glider, and that's a piece of essential gear for me because, as you know, I've got the hole in the axle housing that I had my friend Nate weld a plug over. So I'm just, you know, assessing what I have here. Let's see if we can get a look up here in the transfer case area. Happily, looks like I still have nice space right there, even though the transfer case armor pushed up a little bit, so that's good.